And after a spectacular victory in the Delhi elections, the Aam Aadmi Party has already begun its business today. It's getting down to business, as we are in fact telling you. Kejriwal has met Urban Development Minister Venkaiah Naidu and raised the issue of full statehood for Delhi. The party sought the centre's assistance on several issues, including more land for schools, hospitals and parking. They also raised the issue of regularizing unauthorized colonies. The Aam Aadmi Party says the centre has assured full support on all matters. It's only too interesting to notice when this honeymoon period actually is going to end of the sort of cooperation that, at least in principle, we are seeing between the state and the centre. Let's quickly go across to Rishika Barua, who joins us at this moment. We'll go across to Rishika in just a short moment. Let's quickly listen in to what a key member of the Aam Aadmi Party, Manish Sisodia, had to say post this meeting.
बहुत मायने रखती है, तो उनसे सहयोग भी हमने मांगा कि बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जिनमें हमें लगातार आपके सहयोग की जरूरत पड़ेगी। उसमें से 4 बड़े इश्यूज हमने उनसे रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि हमें जहाँ जहाँ सहयोग की जरूरत पड़ने वाली है तुरंत। एक तो गांव देहात के जमीनों के मुद्दे हैं, बहुत सारा फोर्स लैंड एक्विजिशन होता है, गांव के जमीनों के मुआवजे के मुद्दे हैं। इन सारे मुद्दों पे हमें सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से मदद की जरूरत पड़ेगी। दूसरा, अनऑथराइज कॉलोनीज के मुद्दे पर, जिस पर सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने अभी हाल में एक रेजोल्यूशन भी पास किया था, उस रेजोल्यूशन को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए दिल्ली सरकार पहले से ही काम कर रही थी जब अरविंद केजरीवाल जी मुख्यमंत्री थे। तो उसमें अब काफी मदद की जरूरत पड़ेगी, डीडीए से, एमसीडी से, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से जो मदद की जरूरत पड़ेगी। हमने कहा कि एक बार सरकार शपथ ले ले, उसके बाद आपकी काफी मदद की जरूरत पड़ेगी। तीसरा, हमने उनसे रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि दिल्ली में स्कूल, कॉलेज, हॉस्पिटल और पार्किंग और पार्क के लिए, इन सब के लिए बहुत जमीनों की जरूरत है। तो डीडीए के पास जहाँ जहाँ जमीनें हैं, उसमें से बहुत सी जमीन इनके लिए यूज करने की हमें रिक्वेस्ट होगी और उसमें सहयोग चाहिए। चौथा, हमने उनसे रिक्वेस्ट किया कि फुल स्टेटहुड के मुद्दे पे भी हमें समय पे, जब आगे समय आएगा तो उनसे कॉपरेशन की जरूरत पड़ेगी। तो इन सारी चीज़ों पे हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया है और उन्होंने फुली एश्योर किया है कि किसी पॉलिटिकल डिवाइड के बिना एज ही इज पूरी दिल्ली के लिए काम करेंगे और अब मिलकर काम करेंगे।
और मनीष, पीएम से मुलाकात होगी, पीएम से मुलाकात होगी,
उससे टाइम मांगा हुआ है, वो शायद कल का समय मिला। राष्ट्रपति महोदय साहब से आज शाम का समय है।
मिलने का क्या आपके एजेंडे में बहुत बड़े
अभी तो बेसिकली ये क्योंकि अभी तो शपथ नहीं ली, सरकार का गठन नहीं हुआ है,
क्या उनको बुलाएंगे? क्या
कॉलोन मीटिंग है और जब जिससे मिलेंगे उससे क्या बात है वो बता देंगे, तो बता देंगे।
Sir, can we take this in English? What was discussed today at the meeting, sir? Can we briefly discuss
बाबर सर, आ जाओ। ये नहीं, ये लो माइक लो।
All right, let's quickly go across to Rishika Barua, who joins us with all the latest, and also Kamaljeet in just a short moment from now. But Rishika, as far as this first day is concerned, both Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia have a lot of meetings lined up. Their first meeting with the Urban Development Minister. They've already placed their demands.
Well, absolutely, Sanket. As we've been pointing out, Arvind Kejriwal and his team have set the ball rolling. Even as, this morning he's still Chief Ministerial Designate. I mean, no doubt that he is going to be the next Chief Minister. But really, they mean business. The issues, Sanket, if you just look at the issues that he's raised with the Urban Development Minister at that 9:30 a.m. Meeting this morning, these are all core issues of the Aam Aadmi Party. They fought the election on these core issues, whether it is the issue of statehood that Arvind Kejriwal had raised and questioned Prime Minister Narendra Modi on, whether it is the issue of, regularizing and legalizing those unregulated colonies, whether it is the issue of schools, colleges, more land for parking. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal has realized, and as we've been saying, he's a change man. He's realized that if he wants to come clean on the promises that he has made for Delhi, he has to work in tandem with the central ministries. He has sought time with Rajnath Singh as well. Law and order has been a key issue. Remember, it was a major sticking point last time around in that brief 49-day stint. So clearly, the Aam Aadmi Party has struck that reconciliatory note early, this morning. He has lined up to seek appointments with the various ministries, starting of course with Venkaiah Naidu, urban development, which is a really key issue for the Aam Aadmi Party, followed up with Rajnath Singh, law and order. He's also going to be meeting the president, and as Manish Sisodia said, likely to be meeting the prime minister as well tomorrow.
Absolutely.
So he set the ball rolling on day one. He means business, and that's probably the reason why Delhi's voted him back with the numbers that they have.
Absolutely, Rishika. Let's quickly get in a word from Kamaljeet Sandhu also, who is outside Nirman Bhavan, where this meeting actually took place. Now, Kamaljeet, if you can hear me, we all know what Manish Sisodia has said, that we have placed this as our demand. We want parks, we want land for school, we want a lot of other things. The demands have been placed.
Well, Sanket, if you can really hear me, then Arvind Kejriwal has hit the ground running. Even before he's formally taken charge, he has taken responsibility. He's at least has 3 meetings, one with the Urban Development Minister. He's had a meeting, he's talked about the statehood, he's talked about having better schools and hospitals. He's also meeting Rajnath Singh, he'll be talking about the statehood, about women's security, about other issues. So he's hit the ground running even before he's taken the charge. He knows he has overwhelming majority, 67 MLAs, which obviously means a daunting task that whatever he had promised to the people of Delhi, he has to fulfill that. And definitely,
No, but Kamaljeet, the question is different.
He has had few run-ins with the central government earlier. He doesn't want to do that again.
Absolutely.
He obviously wants to have a fresh start, and that is why this entire
No, Kamaljeet, my question to you is different.
Going and meeting, and there are courtesy calls with the union ministers, and thereafter, even before he takes charge, he's going around. He wants to send the message across that the government has hit the ground running, that he means business, and this time it will not just be about Dharna Pradashan, it will be about governance.